In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the D cover. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and a spudger. The first step is to take out all the screws. Take the spudger and put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure on the hinge. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully lift up the bottom case. Now it is time to install the new D cover. Make sure that the bottom case fits properly. The final step is to put back all the screws. Pay close attention when putting back the screws that hold the hinges, because they are larger than the other screws.